Engwe sent me another bike, the L 2.0. You ready? Let's get it. Holy zip ties. Jiminy cricket. Let me go ahead and get a shot on all these zip ties. Come on the other side. Okay, someone's got some stock and ABS. I don't mind sweating, getting my adrenaline going. I know some people have to run, some people have to ride. I just have to peel an orange or put on a shirt. But the thing is with zip ties, is yeah, half my activity ring is filled. Then again, I set my precedents. Really small. Burn 80 calories. That's a wrap, chat. Let's get it. I'll tell you right now, as I'm undoing this, I absolutely love this company. So much so. When you put this in, you want to make sure that this ridge line here lines up with the little bump on the inside. Just gotta make sure it's tight real quick. Oh yeah. So to unlock this battery and take it out, we're just gonna put the key in. Watch this little gold guy. Goes in, lift it up. Inside of the box, as well as the Engwe L 2.0, we have two boxes. Inside of the first box, well, hello, charger, pedals. If we didn't give you enough of zip ties to begin with, we're gonna give you a couple more. Decorative processes, tools. Oh, I love it. That is pretty damn cool. Then we get a user manual. Cut away from the body, WNBC. This is a car seat for a toddler. We're gonna figure out where that goes by looking at the picture in the manual. That is, okay. Okay. That is interesting. So it's a half a basket. It's basically a seat for somebody else. And the headlight goes in their crotch region. I mean, that's what I'm getting out of that. Because, okay.
What you said made sense.
We have a 13 amp hour battery at 676 watts, but 52 volts. Holy macaroni. So we have a 2 amp charger at 13 amp hour battery, roughly 6.5 hours to charge from fully dead to completed. Just bring it down, make sure that's firmly in place, and we'll just lock it, pull that out. Turn that ignition on. Nice display. And we're going to tilt it, bring that pedal assist up. 20 miles per hour. We're going to see if we can unlock that. Let me see if I can hack that screen. We're going to fill up the tires. We're going to take it out. Let's get it. So pedal assist 1, you can kind of feel a little bit. Pedal assist 2, same. There it is. Pedal assist 3 automatically picks up. Of course, your max speed with pedal is going to be 15 miles per hour. That's usually the case on both 7 speeds. And then, of course, with throttle, yeah. And then this is where essentially you cap out at 20. Check those brakes. Love that sound. It allows us to go to 28. Let's see. Since we're pedaling. Yeah, it's still picking up. So 20 miles per hour caps out with the throttle. You'll get your max speed with pedaling. Because they do have that cap at 20 miles per hour. Really trying to follow that class 3 where you go on 28 with the pedals. And that's that stutter you hear with that motor. That's it, 20. 21.4.
If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home. When I'm home. I was just so far from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of the fire, was not aware of this nightmare. But when I stopped to see through sight, begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes now to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone among others. I've got to try it. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have the time to find. If I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'm falling asleep when I'm home. When I'm there's no way to go, no one that can see.
Engwe L 2.0. This is designed for the ladies. But for some reason, me and Engwe have worked together and they said, we're going to send you one of these. Of course, what did I say? Why, surely, I'll take one. And I wrote it. I was not expecting this to get to the speeds that it did. Truly a class 3 bike at 750 watts, not really relevant to the class, 960 watt peak. You feel it. It's a little bit jerky when you use your pedals. You can only go 20 with the half twist throttle. This will go 28, but guess what? You got to actually pedal. It's peppy. It is extremely peppy for what it is. And it's not that bad. You see what I've been doing recently, riding all these bikes, I'm raising up the seats. I'm becoming a man. It's taken about 25 videos for me to get it right, but I've essentially done it. This bike is priced at $999. Usually I will give a bike shit if they do not have hydraulic brakes. This in fact is their budget-friendly bike that's designed for bigger and taller people. You see me at 6'1", I fit no problem with the seat all the way up, and the stopping power on this is really good. Check those brakes. Love that sound. You're going to notice that the key is still inside of the battery, and it really has to be in order to operate this or take the battery out. In order to take the battery out, we're going to press the lever behind the seat, lifts up, and then you're going to push this key in and then turn it all the way to the left, which unlocks it. Lift it up. It might be a little jimmied in there, and then when you're ready to put it back in, you do line up those rails on the back with the battery and just kind of drop it right back in. Push that down, go like that, and then to turn it on, make sure it's locked. We press the power button, and then we should be good to go. Shimano 7-speed cassette, 180 millimeter discs on the front and the back, and it is mechanical, and at the sub 1,000 price point, I'm not going to give them a lot of shit for it. You do get that cargo rack on the front, you do get it on the back. I think it's really because I like Engwe, which is, I don't want to say I'm being biased right now, but I love their display primarily because of the X26. So again, I was less than impressed coming out of the box. It's once I rode it is when I really enjoyed it. And honestly, I don't think that this is for men. They want me to compare this to another bike that's similar to it, but I don't have that because that's also designed for ladies, and I'm not a lady. As much as I may act like one or sound like one at times, maybe you question my flamboyancy, or maybe I'm a little bit too half a fag. Either way, it's not, it works for someone my height. I might have looked a little ridiculous, but I had fun doing it. Let me show you how you fold this up. So in order to fold this bike, I'm gonna press this in, lift that up. And then to put the bike all together, just gonna kind of grab it where the battery is, rest it on a side stand. There's a link below that leads you to my website where every single bike that I've done reviews on, you can compare all the stats, the weights, the speeds, the brakes, everything. And then you can compare each one of those stats. I'd appreciate if you checked it out. And if you're looking at buying this link, use the link in the description down below because I do get a little bit of a cut because somebody has to replace the socks that I'm not wearing because my feet are entirely too sweaty from staying out in Florida. So help a brother out. Let me get some socks. Stay beautiful.